I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Filezilla and choosing Site Manager. This gets you into a controlled connection workflow. Enter the host, username, and port now, and select SFTP if you have an SSH key. This gives encryption. Once done, load your private key or paste credentials and click Connect to test reachability. If the server prompts for a fingerprint, verify it against your provider or admin. Make sure the transfer mode, auto or binary, matches the file types to avoid corruption. You now navigate the panels. Left shows your machine, right shows the remote server. Expand folders to find targets. Drag files across or right-click and choose Upload or Download to add them to the transfer queue. Once queued, watch progress at the bottom, where you can pause, resume, or reorder items. This is crucial for large batches. If permissions are needed, set remote file modes after transfer. Also, use checksum or size comparison to confirm successful transfer. You finish by verifying the uploaded files. Check sizes, timestamps, or run checksums to be certain integrity holds. Then set correct permissions with Filezilla's File Permissions dialog or a server-side chmod when necessary so services can access files. If transfers fail, try switching passive versus active mode, confirm the port is allowed by firewalls, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if connections time out, test with a simple SSH client or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.